Putting money into a savings account is important for everyone. You'll need some cash in a savings account for emergencies, and for short-term purchases, you'll also need to make sure you're investing in a brokerage firm to accomplish long-term goals such as retirement. However, it can be hard to save, especially if you have current expenses you're paying. Finance expert Dave Ramsey identified one such expense, which he has referred to as the biggest money suck when it comes to saving. According to Ramsey, debt payments are the money suck that could prevent you from being able to save the money you need. That's because, as Ramsey explained, debt robs you of your income. He recommends aiming to become debt-free as soon as you can so you can eliminate this obligation and have more of your hard-earned money to put towards accomplishing the financial goals you have set for yourself. Once your income is freed up, you can finally use it to make progress toward your savings goals. What you want to do is avoid debt that doesn't improve your financial situation and make savings goals easier for the long haul. This would be things like credit card debt or personal loans taken out for vacations or for any unnecessary purchases that aren't critical to make. You can avoid taking on this kind of debt by making a budget that enables you to spend less than you earn and sticking to it. Setting aside some money for emergencies so you don't have to charge them can also help, as can keeping your fixed costs like housing expenses low so it's easier to live within your means. Keep in mind, it's important to distinguish between different kinds of debt, as some types of loans can actually be a good thing if they improve your ability to earn money or if they help you grow your net worth. Taking out a business loan that enables you to increase your earnings wouldn't necessarily rob you of your future income if it increased how much you can earn. If you've already borrowed, Dave Ramsey recommends using the debt snowball method to become debt-free right away. This would involve making extra payments on your loan or credit card with the lowest balance until it's paid off, then putting all those extra payments toward the one with the next lowest balance until you're done. You can try this approach, or you could use a similar strategy, the debt avalanche, to pay off your highest interest debt first if you want to lower repayment costs as much as you can. Whatever method you adopt, paying down your debt and freeing up that money for savings, as Ramsey suggested, could help to make accomplishing your goals easier.